Ye Gods was a biblical behemoth of a production. Certain parts of my anatomy have fallen off. There's no medical explanation for it. Do you have to carry them with you all the time? Strange things will happen to you, and, most important, you will have a religious experience so overwhelming that you will scarcely comprehend it. On your left, you will see our hero, Gilbert Frigate. Gilbert is a loser. No pictures. No pictures. So you took over the flock. It's no big deal. You give them a whack and yes with a crook now and again and they stay in line. At least, you'll look better in tights. Talk to myself? Where did Paul get that idea? I never talk to myself. He says you've been doing it a lot at work. I see. Just how sane are you, Dr. Constable? Not too bad, as psychiatrists go. And once I get rid of these spiders, I'll be 100%. My name's Peter Wright. I'm with the Telegram. Reader's Digest carried a piece entitled, Organ Loser Carries On. Projectionist remains resolute despite serious loss. Meanwhile, the buses kept coming, despite Gilbert's efforts at contacting the reading tour company. You mean to tell us that touching my thing turned you from a homosexual to a heterosexual? Just like that? I find difficult to believe. Someone else touched the parts and let's see what happened. Not me. Not me. Don't. Please, don't come any closer. I think what's happening here is disgusting. The wiener. There's something not right about the wiener. Looks like an ordinary wiener to me, Hallie. Listen, sweetie, you keep that jewel of a tool of yours to yourself, you hear? You convert any more fairies and you're going to get yourself converted into a corpse. I have no power in the matter. It's simply a miracle. Let's not have any hocus pocus. It's just a marvelous thing that happens in the men's room of a theater. Let's not turn it into anything other than that. Let's not pretend that this is a holy place or that I'm a holy person. Because it's not and I'm not. Phil has a point. It's obvious to us, Gilbert, but not to them. Whether we like it or not, the healing power of your private parts lends them religious significance. She was trying to help his psyche, she said, between snuffles and Kleenex. She asked him to look into her blue eyes. Look. He tried not to but found that he had to. He looked and knew that he was coupling with Noah. And then he passed out. She revived him, her face breathless, smiling, and bathed in sweat. The only reason that anyone would commit a theft of this sort, Mr. Frigate, is out of jealousy or spite. In the vacant vitreous porcelain environment, Gilbert studies himself in the mirror. He is a sad, sallow-faced, graying nonentity. He takes the world's smallest pistol out of his pocket, puts the little metal beauty to one temple, then to the other temple. He pulls the nickel-bladed trigger. But why didn't I die? What did I do wrong? What you did wrong was trying to shoot yourself with a cigar lighter. All you managed to do was set your hair on fire. I am White Bear. Can I do for you something? My name is Gilbert Frigate. How are you, Mr. Frigate? Fine, thank you. I'm a projectionist. Are you going to pretend that Ye Gods is a film? Then, why you call it that? Why you not call it what it really is? I want in. You just say you want out. Yes. But I want into your film. Sit still. First we make a slow dissolve. Wait a minute. How can we make a slow dis? Hey, wait a minute. Where are we going? Please remain seated while the bus is in motion. Holy Christ. Now I've seen everything. Wait a minute. What do you make of that, everything? Holy Christ.